Hello everyone and welcome to the Gulf Sniper channel. This is Talali with you. In this video I'll be taking you through the steps for making the hotkeys and hot buttons on CMEG's Sterling platform for the year 2021. Let me take you first through a definition of the hotkeys. The hotkeys are pre-selected commands that execute actions on your trading platform at the simple touch of a button, or called keystroke, or combination of keystrokes. It simplifies and speeds up the manual steps you would usually take to perform an action or a transaction. Does CMEG have hotkeys? The answer is yes. CMEG is using a powerful trading platform, which is the Sterling platform for active traders. The powerful performance and configurability gives traders complete control over their trading by using hotkeys or hotkey trading. The platform utilizes over 100 hotkeys or hotkey options for faster order entries. In our case, maximum will be using 3. I will not exceed the 3 and go to sell half of the quantity and purchase and sell quarter, then partially sell and do these things. No, I will just limit it to 3 transactions, as you will see in our explanation here. Who provides the Sterling platform other than CMEG? CMEG, this is an important question because not all the traders are using Capital Markets Elite Group. So there are many brokers who provide the Sterling platform in addition to CMEG, such as Lightspeed, Interactive Brokers, Centerpoint Securities, Cobra Trading, and our fellow here, which is CMEG Group. Sterling traders hot buttons. Now, after setting or defining the hotkeys, there is a much powerful and useful feature, which is the hot buttons. The hotkeys is a powerful tool, but it will require you to know or to remember what configuration or what keys have you selected for which transaction. As we will see in the hot buttons, you will see the option as you will define it in your hotkeys, but you will look into it while you are selecting and clicking on it. So in brief, hot buttons are resulted or are results from the hotkeys. So you first have to set your hotkeys in order to make your hot buttons, as we will see shortly. So a hot button is a visual representation of hotkey in button form. The first step is setting up a hot button. In the setup hotkey, to create a hot button, go to the main toolbar, as we will see, and go to view, then setting, then hotkeys on the left hand side of the opened window, which is about halfway down, which we will explain shortly. Setting up the hotkeys and hot buttons from your desktop or wherever you are having your shortcut for the Traders Elite Pro, click on it. Then you will go to the entry of your username and password that was assigned to you by CMEG in our case, or any other broker. Next. Okay, when you enter and select your username and password, the system will start. The platform will run, as you can see. Give it some time till it loads up and updates. Then from the update, I will be selecting my own setting, save template. If you want my own template as it appears here, please let me know so I can share it with you. So now we start by going to the top left corner, and then from view we go to setting, and then we select hotkeys, as you can see, we make sure that we click on all the price tabs and we make sure that all the tabs are selected, especially the CLO, as we will go through the CEO, as we will be needing it during putting the take profit. Now we go again to setting and we do the setting for the buy, and then we make sure that the following settings are appearing to you are added. So the side is buy, the quantity is 3,000 as you know, the symbol is current as it is, and then we select the S step. As I said, either we keep it as it is or we remove the S step. We make sure that we keep the price as ask, then the account is current, and the destination is smart. Now going to the stop loss, please be careful of the options here. We put the side as sell, of course, because we'll be selling what we selected already. Then the quantity is open position, so the quantity is whatever we opened, whether 3,000 or we added to the position that we selected. The symbol is current, so if we are on this or on this or on the other one, it will make the transaction on that window particularly that we are on with that particular symbol or trade or current company that we are trading. Okay, the price in our case is different. There are many options, but we select the position average percentage and then we put it -3. This means that the price that we are setting our stop loss is set to be -3% from the average of the entry price that we selected. As you can see, for example, here, the position average price. Okay, and then the account is current, the destination is smart, so whichever we select, it will go with us. Then this TIF is default, currency is default, display quantity as default, but the price in this case is S step. We need to keep this one as S step, and as we did in the previous one, we save this one and the mode, of course, load and go, and we made the name here as a stop loss -3%. The hotkey is Shift S, but we will not use the hotkey so at this stage, because we will use the buttons, as I will explain to you very soon. Okay, nothing to be changed in the other cells, the price and the preference. So you go ahead and we do also the take profit. For the take profit, let me go back a little bit. Now for the take profit, as you can see, the side is sell, the quantity is current, the symbol is current, the price is the same, but this time +7, because our target stop loss is 7, I mean take profit, but we make sure, and then the account is current and the destination is smart, TIF is default, currency is default, and display quantity as default. But the most important thing, and that's why we selected the type of the price tabs, most of the times the pre-setting or the system, the platform comes with the prices not selected, not all the price tabs. But here for the take profit, we need to select CLO, which I believe it refers to close, so it is not an S step or not an S step which is trailing stop or something. We need to be careful to this selection. You have to put it as CLO, otherwise your transaction will not be done. So whenever you select the take profit and the stop loss, immediately it will calculate, and then you will find yourself losing your money because you enter and you exit at the same time. So the most important thing here is to watch out so you don't miss the CLO. Okay, that's simply how you do your hotkeys. Now when it comes to the buttons, to the hot buttons, you can simply do it when you go to the view window. I will show it to you in a minute. Okay, now when you go to the view here, you will select, and then you will go here and select the hot buttons, and then the hot buttons you will select. Those three are usually hotkeys on the right, on the left, so you click on them, you bring them here to this side, and then you can play with the colors the way you like. So here how they look like. So you can simply, whenever you are on here, you can select and you can choose your color, the color that you like. Okay, and you can, when you are trading, you can just make sure that you are on this window particularly with this symbol, so you can just click on buy, you can buy, then you can put your stop loss, then you can put your take profit immediately, then you will find all the details mentioned to you, and with that you will be completely capable of doing your trading using the hot buttons, which is based on the defined hotkeys. I hope that this explanation is clear enough to guide you through the setting up of the hotkeys and hot buttons, and I hope that this very powerful and useful tool help you in your selection of your trades and on entering and exiting your trades efficiently and successfully. Wish you all the best and good luck in your trades, and see you on other videos.